Hello everyone. So now in this video we will see about the mirror pick axis and mirror draw axis. So you can see this one is your mirror pick axis and this one is your mirror draw axis. Basically with the help of mirror tool we can just mirror the element in the Revit. So let's see how it works. So first I will choose the mirror pick axis and before that I will just select the element. So you can see I'm just selecting this door and just by pressing shift, sorry, just by pressing control, I can just press multiple uh, element in the Revit. See, now I will just select this mirror pick axis. So you can see if I just bring my arrow near the any element, basically near the wall, then you can see the axis. See this kind of axis you can see, right? So basically I just wanted this this element to be on this wall. So for that I will just select this axis, then this element will be mirror in the opposite direction. See how it works. Let me click here. You can see the elements are now on this left side of the wall also, right? Now let me show you how we can use this mirror draw axis. So for that, let me first uh, draw some door and window here. See, I have just drawn two door here. Right now, uh, exit from the command. Now I will select this door and I will press the control button and select this door also. Now I will select this tool, mirror draw axis. Now, once I just bring my mouse here, so you can see this triangle symbol, it is showing the midpoint. See, it is showing the midpoint. Now, I will just bring my mouse here, it is showing the midpoint of this bottom wall. So, if I just press here, see, the doors are now in the left side of the walls also, right? So, in this way, we can just use mirror pick axis and mirror draw axis. Now, let's see more examples. So here you can see I have just drawn one, two, three horizontal walls and one vertical wall. So basically what I just wanted this wall to be mirror in the right side. So for that I am selecting this mirror pick axis. So once I just select the mirror pick axis, now if I just bring my mouse here, then on this wall, then you can see it is showing the axis. See? So once I click on this axis, so you can see the walls are now in the opposite side, in the right side basically, right? So now if I just wanted this complete system, see all the wall, I just wanted to be in the in the bottom side. So for that, see if I just selected the walls and I will just click on here, mirror pick axis. So currently you can see here is a copy command is activated. So if I just first we will see with this one. See in this way you can just draw mirror axis and you can see the elements are in now opposite direction. So if I just wanted to be mirror this many element, right? I just selected the mirror draw axis. Now if I just remove copy from here, then I'm just drawing the axis. See, I just drawn the axis. Now the elements are in opposite, basically right side, but the original elements are now not there because I just untick the copy button. So guys, in this way you can just use this mirror pick axis and mirror draw axis. You can just use this copy tool also if you just need.